If you've ever had stuff slide around in your RV, you know how fast that gets old. That's why I wanted to try these Silwy products, because they're supposed to keep things in place without turning your RV into some permanent install project. And I wanted to see if they were actually worth it. You know that feeling when you first hear something move and your first thought is, what else just shifted? You hear something slide across the counter, and then something hits somewhere in the back. And now you're standing there thinking, all right, what just moved? Because it's never just one thing you noticed. It's whatever you didn't catch. And if you've been doing this for a while, you already know what comes next. You stop, you walk back, and you start looking. Did something spill? Is there something you know you have to clean up? And it always seems to happen when you're tired. You've had a long drive, you're in a tight space, and now you're bent over wiping something up that didn't need to happen in the first place. That's what wears on you. It's not one big thing. It's the same little problems over and over. So after a while, you start adjusting your life around it. You stop leaving things out. You stop trusting anything breakable. You switch to plastic, not because you want to, but because it feels easier. So I didn't try to fix everything at once. I started with one thing that annoyed me every single day: paper towels. Because they're either always rolling around or buried somewhere you don't want them. If you leave them out, the first turn sends them moving. If you put them away, now you're digging for them while something is dripping on the counter. So I put up the Silwy magnetic kitchen roll holder. It's simple. You put the metal strip on the wall, and the holder snaps onto it with a magnet. That's it. But the difference shows up the second you actually use it. You grab a sheet, pull with one hand, and it doesn't move. That's what stood out to me. Normally, the whole roll is spinning or shifting while you're trying to tear it. It's a small thing, but it made me think, all right, let's see if the bigger stuff works too. Because paper towels rolling around are annoying, but once heavier stuff starts shifting, now you've got a real problem. That's when something slides to the edge, tips over, and now you're cleaning it up again. So that's when I tried the Silwy Magnet Power Bundle XXL. This is what actually handles the stuff you normally don't trust to leave out. Inside, you've got the power magnets and these metal nano gel pads. These pads go on the counter, and the first time I set one down, it didn't feel right. It looked fine, but when I pressed on it, it didn't grab the way I expected. So right there I was thinking, all right, maybe this isn't going to work the way I thought. So I pulled it up, moved it over to a cleaner spot, and pressed it down again. This time it grabbed. That's something you notice pretty quickly. You can feel the difference between the spot that works and the spot that doesn't. And the fact that you can just fix it like that matters. You're not stuck. You're not drilling anything. You're not guessing and hoping you got it right. So I set a few of these up and moved them around a bit till I got the spacing where I wanted it. My first try wasn't perfect. One was too close to the edge, and I didn't like how that felt. So I pulled it off, moved it, and reset it. No damage, no residue. That's a big deal in here. And then I tested it. I didn't do anything crazy. I just wanted to see if it would shift. I pushed it a bit, changed the angle, watched it, and I was waiting for it to move. It didn't. It stayed put. But that's only half of it. Because if something holds too well, now it becomes a problem every time you want to move it. So I checked that next. I lifted it, and it came off clean. No fight. That's the balance you want. You don't want it sliding, but you also don't want it stuck. Because if it's too strong now, you're dealing with it every time you want to clean or move something. This just felt right. And once it was dialed in, that's when I tried something I normally wouldn't even risk: real glass. Because if you've been doing this long enough, you probably already made that decision. Don't bring it. It's too much risk. So these are the Silwy magnetic crystal wine glasses. And these are actual crystal. You could feel it right away. They have that cold, solid, normal glass feel. So when you set one down on those same pads, it connects. Now this is where I expected it to fail, because a tall glass in here, while moving, should not work. So I set it down and I did not touch it. I just watched it. I was waiting for that slow shift. I was waiting for that little wobble that turns into a tip. You know, the moment when you're just waiting for it to happen. And it didn't happen. There was no drift. There was no vibration. There was no sound. It just stayed there. And I stayed there a second longer than I needed to, just to see if it would prove me wrong. It didn't. But the part that really got me was not just that it stayed put, but what happened when I picked it up. There was no tug. There was no resistance. It just lifted like a normal glass. That's what makes it usable. It stays when it needs to stay, and it feels normal when you use it. And that's what changes things. because now you're not forcing yourself into plastic all the time. You can actually use real glass again without thinking about it every time you move. And just to keep this accurate, the glasses use those same pads from the Power Bundle because the magnet is built into the base. The paper towel holder is different. That one uses its own metal strip on the wall, so it does not use the pads at all. Now, as you use this, a couple of things stand out. Those pads like smooth surfaces. You'll feel when the spot is right. If they get dirty, rinse them, let them dry, and they're back. If you're holding something heavier, you just spread the magnets out a bit. You don't have to overthink it. You just adjust until it feels right. But once everything is set, that's when you notice it. You're driving and nothing is moving. There's no sliding. There's no random thud. There's no little noise that makes you look back. You hit a turn and nothing shifts. You hit a bump and nothing moves. And that's when it hits you. That constant tension you didn't even realize you had is gone. You're not resetting your kitchen every time you stop. You're just using it like you would anywhere else. If you want to check these out, I put links to all three below. The Magnet Kitchen Roll Holder, including metal strip, the Power Magnet Bundle XXL, black, and the Magnet Crystal Glasses Wine Advantage set are all there. And if you've been dealing with things sliding, shifting, or making a mess every time you move, this is one of those things you notice immediately, not later, right away. And once you get used to that, you're not going back. Anyway, I hope you like this video and I hope you get these products and really like them. I do. They really work. See you down the road and safe travels.